Hi guys, welcome back on TechHead. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to use Telegram without phone number. First of all, you can open the Telegram application and you can require a phone number to create account on Telegram. You cannot create account without phone number on Telegram, so you can just simply use the virtual phone numbers, that is text on app or Google Voice. And after, the alternative method is you can just simply use your friends or relative number, and after entering the relative number you can receive the verification code. You can enter the verification code and you can use a Telegram without your phone number, and it is a way you can use Telegram without phone number. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.